This Legend Cookware 3-ply stainless steel pots and pans set is a testament to durability, performance, and elegance in the kitchen. Designed for both professional chefs and home cooks, this 10-piece set provides everything you need to elevate your cooking experience. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or creating a multi-course gourmet meal, this cookware set promises superior performance, versatile functionality, and timeless appeal. Let's dive into an in-depth review of this exceptional cookware set and discover why it's a must-have for your kitchen. 1. Build and design. Built to last. The Legend Cookware set lives up to its name. Crafted with multi-ply cladding technology, this set consists of 3 meticulously layered materials. 304 stainless steel ensures a safe, non-toxic cooking surface that's easy to clean. Thick aluminum core provides even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring your food cooks uniformly. 430 stainless steel offers compatibility with all cooktops, including induction. The thoughtful construction makes this set both lightweight for easy handling and heavy-duty for longevity. The handles are riveted securely, ensuring safe movement of heavy dishes. The polished exterior adds a sleek and professional touch, making it a visually appealing addition to any kitchen. 2. Versatility beyond compare. One of the standout features of the Legend Cookware set is its incredible versatility. This set is compatible with all cooking surfaces: gas, electric, glass, and induction stovetops. Additionally, it's oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop cooking to oven baking. The set includes the following essentials: 5-quart Dutch oven with lid, ideal for stews, soups, and roasts. 10-inch and 8-inch frying pans, perfect for searing, frying, and sautéing. 1.5-quart and 3-quart saucepans with lids, great for sauces, gravies, and side dishes. 3.5-quart sauté pan with lid, excellent for one-pot meals and stir-fries. This assortment ensures you have the right tool for every culinary task. 3. Performance and heat efficiency. The multi-ply cladding technology isn't just for show, it delivers superior heat retention and distribution. Unlike lesser cookware, this set eliminates hot spots, giving you consistent results every time. Pro tip: to achieve non-stick-like performance, simply preheat the pan and add a layer of healthy cooking oil. This technique allows you to sauté, fry, or sear without the need for chemically treated coatings. 4. Health-conscious cooking. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that the Legend Cookware set is PFOA, PTFE, and PFOS-free, ensuring you can cook at high heat without worrying about toxic fumes or harmful chemicals leaching into your food. Unlike traditional non-stick cookware, this set doesn't compromise your health for convenience. 5. Easy maintenance and cleaning. Cleaning high-performance cookware can often feel daunting, but not with Legend Cookware. Here's how to keep your set looking brand new. Allow the cookware to cool completely before cleaning. Wash with dish detergent and a soft sponge or mesh scrubber. For stubborn stains, use a mild acid like vinegar or lemon juice to restore its shine. While the set is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain the visibility of interior measurement lines. 6. Why choose Legend Cookware? Here's what makes this set a standout choice. Durability. Built to last a lifetime with high-quality materials. Ease of use. Lightweight yet heavy-duty, making it easy to handle even for beginners. Health benefits. Free from harmful coatings, ensuring safe cooking. Timeless appeal. Professional-grade aesthetics that elevate the look of your kitchen. 7. Who should buy this cookware set? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook just starting your culinary journey, the Legend Cookware 10-piece set is an invaluable addition to your kitchen. Its durability, versatility, and performance make it ideal for home cooks looking to invest in long-lasting cookware, professional chefs seeking reliable tools, families who prioritize health-conscious cooking. Conclusion: this Legend Cookware 3-ply stainless steel pots and pans set is the perfect blend of quality, functionality, and style. Its thoughtful design and high-performance construction ensure that it can handle all your cooking needs, from quick meals to elaborate feasts. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game and invest in cookware that will last a lifetime, the Legend Cookware set is an outstanding choice. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.